What's up, guys? Welcome back to Breakout Trading. So ending the day here with 3 trades on AESE. 2 winners in the morning and 1 loser a little bit later into the morning. The first 2 trades are really good. I'm really happy with those 2, and then I gave back about a decent chunk of my profits on the last one. I got a bad entry on an alright setup, and unfortunately I knew it was a bad entry, and I was telling myself to get out at break even, but I ended up not, and it flushed down, and my market stop also kind of jumped 15 cents, so took a bigger than anticipated loss on that as well, just because of the market stop. So I'll run the clips now, and yeah, happy start to June. I'm happy with the first day. Let's go. Let's just minimize this. Once again, my superb editing skills. Okay. Alright, what is up, guys? It is June 1st, and market opens in about a minute. So this is just a live session. I'm going to just let this thing play and probably just fast forward. I'll write down in my journal times of this video when I enter a trade or when I see something or have a thought. And we will go from there. Alright, let's go. Let's go. Alright, let's go. Big dump on the SPY here on the open. Big dump. Bit of a false breakout here on CTX. Don't really see anything too strong off the bell. Wow, big dump from SPY. Yeah, that would have been a nasty false breakout there if you tried to long. That's why I don't really trade in the morning, because it's just so unpredictable. Not in the morning, but like the first opening minute is what I'm trying to say. Wow. That's an insane DraftKings chart. To the moon. So, really nasty action here on CTX. It looks like if it does break this area, it might go. Oh, jeez. Excuse me. Okay, so now it looks like it might want to break this, as well as AESE. Bit of a pop there. So basically in the morning I just kind of let the strong stocks show themselves. Just let it, don't try and force anything. So yeah, this thing's really trying to break up here. Yeah, you can see every single one of these gap ups on CETX has just been a huge red fade. So it's probably not the best to believe in this one. If history repeats itself, this thing's going to pump up a bit and then sell off throughout the day. Not really something you want to bet the house on. Having lots of troubles there at that 250 area, 250, 60 area. Zoom new all-time high. Holy fuck. Wow, that's insane. Zoom video just rocketing right now. So AESE looking pretty nice here. Really low float on this one, so it's going to move quick. Still pushing here. Oh, big move there. Damn. Okay, so AESE is definitely on the radar. That was quick. We get pull back, pump, pull back, pump. It's trying to test the highs. Holy cow, yeah, that one's pretty strong. Wow. Here's the retest of the highs. Pre-market highs. Come up to some $5 resistance here I've marked out on the daily. Yeah, so it looks like the two that we're going to be focusing on today is DGLY and AESE. Those are the two that are showing strength out of the gates. CETX failed to break over that pre-market level there. Had a couple tries and then a sell-off. And just looking at the rest of everything, you know, I had a few other ones on launch: PTI, CTIC, AYTU. They're all kind of selling off. You can see CETX really selling off there. And then these are the two strong ones that we're seeing. Long right there. Long at 460 on AESE with only 30 shares there. So I'm going to see how this one wants to act. I'm hoping that holds this this pre-market high here. It could drop down to as low as 440. This would also be an area of support. Pretty much testing VWAP right now. throw up a bit of a stop market here at 4.33. So if it pulls back below this, we will stop out at 4.33. Okay, so it is actually pumping up now. 6. Okay. Yeah, we'll throw this in here for 4.45. 9-cent stop. Just want to see this move up and away a little bit more before I do that. Okay, so I'm going to take, I think our profits are right here for our first little trade of the day. Okay, so that was only 30 shares, so long again there. Going to do the same thing. Yeah, I'm looking for this thing to break out now. About 510 area. Let's put in that stop loss for, I want to wait to see if it retests first. Every time I put in a stop, it tends to just F me, so I'll just have my hand on the trigger to get out if we get anywhere near 4.63. Just watching the level 2 now. Okay, that's a pullback there. 4.65. We want to see this hold. 0.67. So it's definitely consolidating right now. I like what I'm seeing. There's 4.7. We want to see green now. We want to see momentum come through and volume. We need volume. This one's kind of just stalling right now. There we go. That's our green we wanted to see. There we go. Now we're looking for a pop above that line there. We're really looking for a breakout above this trend line right now. There we go. I think that's it right there. And we're going to sell, I think, there's the increase in volume. So now we are looking for this thing to rip up. Perfect. Wow, that was a fast move. So this thing should have some more movement in it. Our average is 4.63, so we're up pretty good. We'll take it there. Alright. 24 bucks there. On AESE, only taking 30 shares. So that's not bad. I'm pretty happy with that. What I could have done better is I could have had my stop loss placed, but the reason I was holding off is I just had my finger on the exit position trigger, and I was watching the level 2 here to make sure there were some bids at my level, and if I saw what was $463, I was going to hop out. and try and get a break-even trade there. So pretty nice little 2 trades on AESE to start the morning. Really happy with that performance. Here we go. It's probably going to pop up to 3 right now, but I'm not going to enter. Yeah, I'm probably going to pop to 3 here. So you can see the tape speeds up here when it gets near. You want to see 270 get eaten away at. On the AESE, big buyer there at 267. Big buyer. This thing is going to pop, man. Maybe I should hop in this. What? Yeah, I think so. See, it's poking its head over. I don't know if I like that though. I don't want to be the one that steps in front of the freaking train. Hands off. Not buying at resistance. That's not me. Wow, look at the bids. The bids are nice though. The bids are nice, but my rule is to not buy at resistance. So I'm not going to. It's just really having troubles. It does it. I know it'll pop to 3. The thing about trading is right now I know it'll pop to 3, and I could take the trade, but I'm not going to because it's not a good setup. I don't buy breakouts anymore, even though my channel's called Breakout Trading. You know, it's because your P&L breaks out, not the trade. So yeah, just gonna wait on this one. Just wait and see. It's probably a good chance it pops to 3 though. AESE there with a bit of a pump. This one's really good. But once again, just unable to break that level. So let's look at AESE. Just had a bit of a pop there. Okay. Yeah, really having troubles there. See, that was good. I kept my hand off the trigger. Look at that. That's why you don't buy at resistance right there. AYTU with a little pop. Ooh, I don't like how this one trades though. AESE, however, looking pretty nice. Poked our heads above that trend line, little increase in volume, back above VWAP. CTX slammed back down, could not get over $3. Look at that. $3 was big boy resistance. Wouldn't be surprised if this thing just curled it down now and sold off, just like all the other days. DGLN, this is why you don't buy at resistance right here. Look at how much trouble it's having getting over 270. And the longer it hangs out here, the less chance it'll actually break. Yeah, it's looking like it might want to get rejected. So look at that. This is a perfect example of why you don't want to buy at resistance. I was getting an itchy trigger finger right here because I was just looking for a quick move to 3 for a quick 25, 30 cents. But it was just unable to do it. No volume, no buying, and I'm guessing this thing's probably going to curl back down to at least VWAP, maybe lower. Yep. That's why you gotta wait for the flip. Because right now I could have been in at 270, and where would my stop loss be? Below VWAP? Okay, well, that's a massive range there. Or below this level, like, not what you want. I don't even think that's a good level. What the hell? Oh yeah, it was initial pop support. Okay, it's a decent level. But yeah, look at that. Yeah, unable to get over 270. Okay, so AESE is definitely showing some strength. Wow, that was a beautiful retest right there. Fuck me, that would have been a nice entry. We might start with a tier 1 right here. This is nice. Stop loss below VWAP. Is this good? Yeah, this is good. Why did I hesitate there is the question. Why did I hesitate? That was a great entry. Nah. I do want to get in on this. I don't know why I hesitated there. Don't know why I hesitated. Here we go. This is your chance. Okay, in at 530, and we will put our stop below VWAP, 4.97. We'll go 4. That's a big fucking range. Okay, maybe we'll just have our handle on, finger on the trigger now. 430 is our average. We could maybe look to buy a bit more here at 515 if it gets there. 530. Okay, we want to see 530 hold. I don't know if I'm liking this one. Be patient. Be patient. It's only a tier 1. I don't know if I like that. Let's see how it does retesting VWAP here. Yeah, I definitely want to see VWAP hold. $5 is my absolute cut point. So let's add a bit more here. Do we want to add more? 515. I think we want to add more, $5 if it gets there. I don't know how much I like that. My target is 590. Got a bad entry. I could have had a much better entry on this. Yeah, you know what? I don't like this one. I'm going to get out at break even. Yeah, we'll see what it can do right now. I don't know how much I like this. Got a bad entry. That's probably what's making me antsy. I'm going to put a stop at 514. That'll be my 15-cent stop is my stop for 30 shares at 514. Okay, so I'm putting a stop there at 514. Not too sure about this one. So if we can break 545 here, I'll sell into the push. Just for a little 15 cents. I don't know how much I like this. Yeah, not looking too good on this one, honestly. 514 is the limit till I'm on out. Yes, I'm really just chopping right now. So hands off now, just gonna watch. I don't know how much I like this. Might get stopped out here. 516. We need an immediate resolution right now. 520. Probably gonna get stopped here. $5.17, $5.18. Probably gonna get stopped. Yeah, I don't know how much I like this. That was just a bad entry. 5.14 any second now. Yep. Fuck, dude. No. Okay. Ouch. Taking the L there on AESE. That was a bad stop loss. It's alright. Wow. Did news come out? Not really. Holy cow. That thing really sold off. Two winners and one loser on AESE. Yeah. Not too sure about that trade there. That was a bad entry. And I knew it was bad when I was in it. And what I should have done is got out any of these points just for break even. Right when we failed to push above right there, I should have hopped out. And you can see, of course, I had like a pretty decent flush there. And my stop loss didn't, my market trigger didn't work. It went all the way down to $5, which is pretty frustrating. You can see this thing's selling off now more, so kind of learned from this. Should have been a bit more patient. There wasn't anything crazy going on here. It looked good, but there wasn't anything to, run home about. Right there. Now the trend is down. I said that from the start of the day. Look at the volume. It's less volume than this morning, and the trend is down. So, yeah, not the best setup. So, yeah, it looks like everything's kind of just pulling back now. CTX back there at VWAP. GNY. Never able to break 270. That was a great call, I think, not buying in there. And yeah, that might be it. I gotta drive somewhere today to get some stuff for a camping trip I'm going on, so that might be it today. We are ending the day up $15. Great first day of June in my books. Gave back a decent chunk of our profits there on that last AESE trade, but that's alright. Two winners, one loser. I'm pretty happy with that performance for the first day of June, ending it green. That's what matters. Yeah, I'll probably shut her down. I gotta go do some stuff, so see you later, guys.